What's going on, guys? Lionheart here. Today I'm going to review on the NAO LED headlights. You can find these on Amazon for about $27. I'll have a link in the description down below. So I'm going to show you the installation process, and I'm also going to do a review on them. So stay tuned.
Not enough poured up, move to the side. Runner up, fuck around, never let me by. Promise that I will stay out of reach, far gone, cause the shit still bothers me. Not enough poured up, move to the...
Alright, so we're going to do a quick unboxing here. We got the manual here. And it's got like a little short installation process. But you know you can never read manuals. That's what I'm making this video for. I'm going to help you guys out. So you have to make sure you search up what kind of headlights your car takes. Like these ones are fit H8, H9, and H11 headlights. So you have to search up and make sure you guys are getting the right headlights for your specific vehicle. So here's one of the headlights. As you can see there, it has the LED chip on both sides. And this just plugs in to like your headlight. And then this plugs, you just unplug your old headlight and you plug this in and you're done. It's that simple. But I'm just going to make this video for you guys so you can see how it works and see how easy it is. And you can do it yourselves. And you can do it for under $30. So check that link in the description down below. Just make sure you get the right headlights for your car. Don't come back and dislike this video after your headlights arrive and they're not for your car. So yeah, we have a pretty good rubber ring right here. That's gonna probably be your water seal. Keep the water out and condensation. So once again, this is an installation video, so I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not. Maybe I'll make an updated video in a few weeks or a few months, and I'll tell you guys whether or not this does leak. Because if it leaks condensation, you're not gonna want it. Come on, nobody wants water in their headlights. But I guess I can leave it in the comments, and if you guys just read the comments down below in like a month or two from now, I'll let you know if any condensation did get in the headlight. So on the back here we have the fan, so that way the headlight doesn't get too hot, because you don't want your headlight to overheat. We got this short cord, and it feels pretty high quality. So yeah, I'm just going to start the installation process here, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope I don't lose anyone. This is also my first time doing an installation video, but I do know how to do it, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so we're going to change the bulb now. If you're not sure which one you have to take out, you can go ahead and turn your headlights on, and on my car it's this one right here. So you're going to start probably by... It's going to be different on every car, but to pull off your dust cover. Now, instead of taking my headlight out and removing all this stuff, I just popped a few clips off and moved this out of the way so I can reach my arm down in. So that hole right there that my finger is pointing at, that's where your bulb is. You got to reach your hand in there and turn the bulb. Now, I can't really get the best angle here, but I'll try to show you guys the best that I can. So I need to reach my arm down in here and grab that bulb and twist it. Alright, we got it. Try not to break the glass, the bulb, because you don't want to be cleaning up glass. Okay, so I got the bulb out here. The cord's really not that long, so I can't pull it out, show you guys better. But here's the bulb here. I need to unhook this from the gray part, so you can just get flathead screwdriver, stick in there, and pull that out. I'm not going to be able to do it one-handed though, so once again I'm going to have to set the camera down. But you guys should be able to figure it out. Just unhook the black part from this gray part. It's pretty simple. If you know anything about what you're doing, you should know how to do this. I think I got a flathead screwdriver out yet, right? Try to pull it up through here, might be easier. Oh yeah. So you don't want to break the clip. Make sure you do not break the clip. The clip, you don't want to have to rewire your car. So just be very careful with it. There we go. I got it out. Pretty simple. Try to get a focus here. Alright, so we got the bulb out. Oh my god, thank the Lord. It does fit. So now all we need to do is get this back down in here and twist this back in place where the other bulb was. So really, in daylight, there's the original one. There's the LED one. So in daylight, it's harder to see the LED, but I'm gonna have to take this thing. I'm gonna finish doing the installation on this side. Same thing as this side, nothing different. I'm gonna finish the installation. Promise that I will stay out of reach, far gone, 'cause the shit still bothers me. If I had life, if I ain't budge, what a bad time for this anxious. Okay, so like I said, not to use the dust cover. The best thing to do is just to take the dust cover and pop a few holes in it so it can get some ventilation. Or you can buy a dust cap that they offer. But I think the easiest thing to do is save yourself the money and just take a screwdriver and pop some holes in your dust cover. Alright, so here are the LED headlights during the day. Here are the headlights at night. They are pretty bright. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. You can check the link in the description if you guys want to buy these. They're about $27, like I said. And they definitely improve the look of my car. And they're way brighter. So once again, link in the description. Peace. For this much life, for my father and my poor days, what it cost me to see archive that gossip, how you drown out, so what?